This used to be me. No Robux, no limiteds, absolutely nothing. But only sometime later, I reached over 38 limiteds and over 400,000 Robux worth. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you're going to see how easy it is to become rich. Starting with how I got into it. It all started with one Roblox game, the Gucci Garden. No one knew that the items that released in this event would become limited. Even I didn't know, and this basically changed my life. So not every item went limited, but items like the Gucci bags or the Gucci Dionysus bags or the diamond frame glasses actually went limited. You can only get these for like an hour, and some of these only cost 120 Robux or 900 or 400, but I bought a ton of these items. I used to own Take a Chance, but I'm pretty sure I saved up some more Robux and then I kept on upgrading until I sold everything. Now, when I found out that the Gucci event was coming out, I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy some items and let's see what happens. After that, I bought the two Gucci items, this and this. Now at the time, these were worth 3,000, they're worth 900 now. But back then, these were going absolutely crazy. I knew that these were unstable, so I actually converted these to normal, just Roblox made limiteds. So the first change I made was I got the golden pilgrim hat, and I still had two Gucci diamond frame glasses. I used some of the Robux that I made from the events to actually buy blue goo. I made some good upgrades, converted those, and I also got rid of one Gucci item. And then I kept on going and going until I was becoming a Roblox trading pro. I would document every trade that I did, but this was a few years ago, so I can't show you the trades, but I'll document my mind process. And the Gucci items were so volatile that they always got projected, or they always were just rising. Like, they were very hyped up because an event like this did not happen in years, where these things were just going limited. So I hoarded more and more until I was actually gaining a lot of value from it. Then I realized I can't keep these forever because the event's gonna end soon. So while faces were still good before the horrific change, I converted and converted. I actually think I actually projected flip the chill cap, and then I actually converted even more, and so I had very good items, and these weren't Gucci items, so they weren't unstable. I kept on profiting until I hit one of my major milestones. I got the perfectly legit fedora, and I thought that I was gonna be it with it. Okay, I learned how to trade. I flipped all my Gucci items that I got for basically for like 100 Robux. What more could I want? But then I realized I can just make even more Robux. I'm already good at trading. I'm already getting good. Like, why would I stop now? So I actually downgraded legit into the two items, because if you only have one item in Roblox trading, then you really can't get a lot of offers. So using some Robux that I got, I bought even more limiteds. I got even more Gucci items, and I just kept on trading up until I reached probably around 100K. Now, it wasn't always smooth, because when I reached around 67,000 value, I actually traded for a good sword set, and this sword set was like the best at the time, the mystical. Like, these are worth over 200,000 now, but I had almost the full sword set of the mystical swords. I loved semi-rares at the time. I think that they were the greatest thing ever. I used to trade for semi-rares so much. I had like a cool inventory. I had the Azure Dragon sword. This is worth almost $500,000 now. The dual spec Gamma, the blue katana, and I remembered I would just sit and trade hangout every day, and then people would offer because semi-rares at the time were really cool. Like, people were actually invested in them. But soon enough, I got really good offers. I got the best gear in the game. I got my first immortal sword. And I even got these cool items that are worth almost 1 million value now. I got my first dream item, the Work Clock Ultimates, which is probably worth around like, yeah, 400,000 now. But dude, I wanted Clockwork headphones so bad, and once I finally got them, I was so happy. These are some really good, this is a really good limited. I think that is great. I still love it today. And then soon enough, I was sitting at 200,000 value just from trading. Like, that is just so much Robux. I had Helm of the Secret. I knew at the time this was a really respected hat. I actually had two of them. Cool items. Like, items were actually cool and unique back then. Now it's just that like everything is hype. It feels like the personality is just gone. And right here, I think I actually traded for Telemon's chicken suit. So basically what happened here, the big dip you see right here, is that I traded for Telemon's chicken suit. And the thing that happened is that someone actually bought the suit, and I gained over 100,000 Robux. I had only like 50,000 value, and then I bought a few more limiteds, and I reached 200,000 value, which is insane, by the way. And then at my ping, I think I had the Miss Scarlet, or yeah, I had these items. Black Iron Horns was very popular back then. It was worth like, I think it was worth 250K. So it's still a good item. Yeah, Black Iron Horns was like the money maker back then. Back in like 2022, Black Iron Horns was the deal. I'm not sure what I projected for Happy 100K Day. It was a very unknown item. I'm not sure what I did with it, but I think I did flip it eventually. And And then that was my peak back then. Now, when I was doing Roblox trading YouTube, I have made so many nothing to something tutorials on how to make Robux that I actually reached over 400,000 value. 400,000 Robux. That was my peak. I could explain more of what all this stuff is, but I've had so much history. I would make it like a 20-minute video just explaining everything. If you want to see that, let me know. But I hoarded the mask hood of the truest seer, and then me and my subscribers also hoarded it, and then we somehow pumped it to like half its value, and I went from 200k to over 380,000. Probably the greatest thing I've ever done because everybody profited. I think only one person didn't profit, but I did compensate them. It was pretty crazy. Yeah, but going forward, I was like, well, I made so much value, I'm just gonna keep on going, and that's how I hit over 425,000. Now you might be asking, how do I earn over 400,000 Robux in a year? I mean, I've heard about Roblox trading. I don't know what it is. I heard that it sucks. I heard that no one likes it. I will tell you, if you start trading today, and if you look, I'm telling you, if you start Roblox trading today, if you watch my videos, you will become rich. Roblox trading is like one of the easiest things to learn. To get into it is one of the hardest things, but once you actually learn your rhythm, once you learn how to make offers, once you learn how to negotiate, when I tell you it is so easy to make profit, you will honestly be in shock. I went from 16,000 Robux to over 20,000 in like a few days just from accepting and countering offers. You don't even have to actively trade to be like rich. Like right here, I went from 19,000 to over 20,000. If I was still an active trader like every single day, I would honestly hit a million value. But trading isn't my life, but I want to tell other people like how easy it is just to make Robux. How do you trade? Buy Roblox Plus, because you need premium to trade. It's only $5 a month. Ask your mom, ask somebody. $5. Go to the Rolling Mom's deals page. You want to go 20%, 30%. You want to get your first limit. All these limits are on deal. You can get this one for 500. Its wrap is 574. You can choose any of these. Whatever you start with, it doesn't matter, because I started with 2 Gucci items I bought for 120 Robux, and I have made hundreds of thousands of Robux. I would recommend to start with around like 1k, because if you start under that, then getting offers can be kind of difficult since the Roblox market is so inflated that you will barely ever see people with under 1,000 wrap, because it's kind of hard to get out of that little hellhole. But if you start with above 1,000 Robux, then you will be set. Second step is watch my tutorials. If you don't watch my Roblox trading tutorials, then you probably don't know what you're doing. Watch Highly Wanted, watch PetroCop, watch Picky Trades, watch a nothing to something video, and then you will learn, oh, so this is the rhythm. This is how Roblox traders work. Even if there's a 2-day hold, even if it's slow, if you just learn and you apply that, then you can make however much value you want to make. Like, remind you, I started with 85 Robux items and I went all the way to over 400,000 Robux. I didn't use any of my personal money. I didn't use any help, nobody. It was just me and me being a Roblox trading nerd and trading in middle school. I'm trying to tell you, if you trade today, if you buy a premium, buy your first limited, if you join my Discord, ask me personally, Lontori, how do I trade? I will get you set, because Roblox trading is slow nowadays, but it is such a good way to make Robux. It is harder to trade now, but I do personally believe that you apply your knowledge, you apply what you want to learn. If you don't ever want to give up, if you ever want to stay persistent with trading, if you want to make something of yourself, then becoming rich on Roblox, doing Roblox trading or Roblox limiteds, not Roblox UGC, not even making a game, it's the easiest thing. Because if I can do it, and I'm not, I'm not the smartest person. I think I'm kind of intelligent, but I'm kind of an idiot. If I'm able to make over 400,000 Robux, then anybody. I say that with the utmost respect. If you want the full explained history, then leave a comment, because I have so much history on this Roblox, stuff. I honestly don't even know. I have made so much profit that I honestly don't even it's crazy. I've traded for rares, I've traded for semi-rares. If you really want to know, leave a comment. That would be it for Lontori's video. Subscribe.